Simple sewing tools are essential for hand sewing and repairing fabric. They help join pieces, fix tears, and create new items. Examples include the needle, thread, scissors, thimble, measuring tape, and pincushion, each serving a unique function. The needle passes thread through cloth, while thread holds fabric together. Scissors cut cloth or thread, and the thimble protects your finger. The pincushion holds pins safely, and measuring tape is used for taking body or fabric measurements. Pupils can practice threading a needle, cutting with scissors, and measuring with tape under supervision for safe usage. After use, clean and store sewing tools properly. Close scissors, return needles and pins to the pincushion, and roll measuring.